In this video, I will show you how to make this crochet succulent. You can make it any size you want and any color you want. This one I made with decor yarn and 4mm crochet hook. But if you work with bigger yarn, this one is worsted one, and I worked it with 6mm crochet hook, following exactly the same pattern. And this one I made with a fingering yarn and 2.5mm hook. I stick my plant onto the lid of this small wooden box. And your plant doesn't have to be green. Like for example this purple one, and I used a stone to make base. I use this pattern not only to make home decor, but also to make some cute crochet accessories like this headband or this Christmas one, or this little crochet ring. Let's get started. The written pattern for this succulent you can find in my Etsy shop. I will leave you the link down below. To make this crochet succulent, I will use decor acrylic yarn, 4mm crochet hook, scissors, a piece of wood to stick leaves here, but you can use also some stone or a lid, whatever you want, and some hot glue gun. We will start making a big leaf. So make a magic ring, and inside this circle work 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Close the magic ring and insert your hook here in this first stitch. It's a little bit tricky. Okay, and we will just working as every amigurumi, so without joining the rows. So we will make again 4 single crochet. 1, 2 in the next one, 3 in the next one, and 4 in the next one. This will be our row number 2. We can push this forward to work easier. In row number 3 we'll work 1 single crochet, so here in this next stitch, and in the next one we will make an increase. So stitches number 2 and 3 we'll make in the same stitch, and we will repeat it once again. So in the next stitch just single crochet, it will be stitch over number 4 of this row, and in the next one again an increase. So stitches number 5 and 6. So right now we have 6 stitches, and in the next row we will just make 6 increases. So in every stitch make 2 single crochet. In the end of this row we will have 12 stitches. So in the next one stitch number 1 and 2, in the next one 3 and 4, in the next one 5 and 6, in the next one 7 and 8, in the next one 9 and 10, and in the last one 11 and 12. Round number 5, we will work again. 1 single crochet, so stitch number 1 in the first stitch, and 1 increase in the next one. So stitch number 2 and 3 are in the same stitch together. In the next one, 1 single crochet, so stitch number 4, and in the next one an increase, 5 and 6 in the same one. In the next one, 1 single crochet, so stitch number 7, and in the next one an increase, 8 and 9. And continue working like this until you have 18 stitches. Next 4 rounds, so rounds number 6, 7, 8 and 9, just continue working 18 single crochet, 1 in each stitch. This is how it looks after round number 9, and now we will make decreases. So in this first stitch, we'll make again a single crochet, but next one will be a decrease. So stitch number 2, it's our decrease. In the next one, again, we will make single crochet, stitch number 3, and the next one, stitch number 4, it will be a decrease, and continue working like this until you have 12 stitches. Next 2 rounds, 11 and 12, we will just make 12 single crochet all over. And the last round, number 13, it will be 6 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make a slip stitch in the next stitch, and now we can cut this yarn. You don't have to even weave in this end, just put it here inside the leaf. We will need 10 of them, so just make 9 more. And now I will show you how to make a small leaf. So again, make a magic ring, and work 4 single crochet in the circle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Close it and insert your hook into the first stitch, and again work 4 single crochet. 1, 2 in the next one, 3 in the next one, and 4 in the next one. Push it forward to work easier. And now we will work 1 single crochet, so in the next one, and increase in the next one. So stitch number 2 and 3. Stitch number 4, it's just a single crochet here in the next one, and 5 and 6 in the next one. So after this row we have 6 stitches, and row number 4, it will be just increasing row. So we will just make increase in every stitch. 1 and 2. In the next one, 3 and 4. In the next one, 5 and 6. In the next one, 7 and 8. In the next one, 9 and 10. And in the next one, 11 and 12. Next rounds, number 5, 6, 7 and 8. So next 4 rounds we'll just work 12 single crochet all over. This is how it looks after round number 8. And now it will be the last one, so again we'll make 6 decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make a slip stitch in the next one, cut this yarn, put this tail inside, so you don't have to weave in this end. And we will need 3 of these small ones, so make 2 more. When you have ready 10 big leaves and 3 small ones, it's time to assemble our plant. Take a thing that you want to use as a base for your plant and take 5 big leaves. And we will just put some glue on the base and stick the leaves all over. Now take another 5 leaves and stick them on the top, like between the first ones. And now it's time for the small ones. Just stick them here on the top. And that's all. Our crochet succulent is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.